everyone, welcome back to the Microsoft Excel video short series. And today we are going to learn out here the basic formulas how we can just find the sum, average, mean and max. We have the list here starting from A2 to like A6, I mean A5, okay. So we are just going to get the sum and average and minimum and maximum from the list. Let's just try to get the response. Before that, we are just going to see a quick theory about it. Let's just try to check it. So we need to add all the values together, so we can just use the formula equals to sum, okay, within our formula bar, and whatever the range, we can just assign the range within the bracket, okay, and we can just hit the enter button. We'll get the response, okay. Also, if you want, you can just select out the columns and you can just use out the like kind of summation in the home tab, okay. I'll just tell you how to do that. So let's just move toward the visual, like here over the Microsoft Excel. So here we are just asked out to give the range, okay. So in the formula bar, we are just going to give out the equals to sum. You can just specify that A2 to I want the range to A5, right? So A2 A5, right? Let's just try to get this, okay. A2 to A5, right? So here let me just rewrite it, and we'll get this up. That's what we received out, 322. If we are just going to select out, we'll get the, go to the editing, go to the summation, and you will get the response 322, right? Actually the cell was selected here, that's why we just got the answer here, okay. Let's just delete this. We just got the sum, right, which is the sum for now basic understanding, right? Now I just want the average. So what is the formula for average? That we can just give the equals to average and we can just assign the range, right? So pressing out the enter, you will get the average. Let's just do the same, and here I'm just going to remove this. So let's just try to do this. So I want from A2 to A5, right? If I'm just going to get the response, sorry, let's just edit it. So we'll get the response here to A2 to A5. That is simply, no. That's what we received out, that 80.5, right? And if we want, we can just get the similarly mean, right? That is 67 is the mean, which is the minimum value. If you want, you can just get the max as well. Just use the max. That 92 is the maximum element, okay. So this is how we just got the response to get the minimum, maximum, sum and average, okay. I hope guys this is going to be a useful information for you. Thank you.